Dear students, this is me, and I am just about to test your exam with our digital exams team. I just want to quickly show you how you can find your working directory, which is actually super easy on the actual exam. So here we go. The beauty is you have access to a Windows computer, which looks like this, and you can just click on the file explorer below. And when you download stuff, it will be available in your downloads folder. And when right-clicking on an empty space, you can directly open Git Bash here. And Git Bash actually points to a real folder, not on to a shared network drive. So you can also open a command prompt here just by typing cmd here and pressing enter. And make is properly configured. And you can open R from the command line as well. And even if you want to open a Jupyter notebook from here, you can just write code dot, and Jupyter notebook is going to pop up in this very directory. How do you find your software? So you've got RStudio here. Whoop, RStudio pops up. So you can also just very easily find your working directory here. For example, the desktop, you can click on this icon here, go to directory, and then you could go to the downloads folder and make the downloads folder your working directory. Also click on this little wheel and choose, let me see, set as working directory. So it will also be now set as a working directory in your R instance. As a final check, I will also show you how you can launch Jupyter Notebook. So if you open Anaconda prompt, it will also be at your user directory. If you want to go to downloads, just do your CD downloads thing, and then you can open Jupyter Notebook in this terminal, and it will launch. So you can now go ahead with your scraping business if you need to. And then finally, I just want to show you one last thing in RStudio. Note that the terminal right here, when you open it, is a Linux terminal. If you want to use a Windows terminal here, go to Terminal Options, and then choose Command Prompt here, and press on OK. And then when you open a new terminal, it will be a Windows terminal, and you can also run make here and the workflows and these kind of things. I do not recommend you to run your make files in a Git Bash terminal, and also not in a Linux terminal, which looks like this. Okay. That's it. So I hope that was useful, and good luck on the exams.